Hi Hans, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Lucy, welcome, and in today's episode I'm gonna show you my very quick everyday routine, and it's gonna be this full beat that's gonna be done in I think less than 10 minutes. I'm gonna put a timer on so you will actually see. I'm gonna use few of my favorite products like McGrath foundation and my recent to go palette Amrezy from Anastasia Beverly Hills, but don't feel pressure to grab those products, and actually, I would encourage you to use your own favorite products, because when you're doing this quick makeup, you don't want to be surprised. You want to use the products that you know how they're going to perform. So you don't want to use new foundation that, I don't know, might be cakey or might separate on your skin. Or you don't want to use new eyeshadows that, I don't know, they're not going to blend. And instead of doing quick makeup, you're going to spend half an hour blending that shit out. So use the products that you like. I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna use all my current favorites and I'm gonna list them in the video. So I guess ready, set, go. I'm starting with Good Miracle's Brightening Toner. I like this one because it will make my pores less visible and it will brighten up my skin. And although I clean my face the day before, I like to clean my face in the morning to get rid of any excess oil or any dust from the pillow that we might get during the night. Oh, look, disgusting. And my first step in skincare is Tilbury Magic Eye Rescue. And I love this product because it's very rich formula. It has vitamins A, C, E, red algae extract, and it makes my under eye skin so plump. The next step is Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. And again, we have vitamins here and hydrating ingredients. And I love this product, especially in the morning, because it has this citrusy smell to it, so it helps me wake up. And I'm taking this to my neck as well, because if you're not gonna take care of your neck, it will tell your age very soon. And I'm starting my makeup with McGrath foundation in shade number 9, and I've chosen this one today because I want to go for a very natural look, and it's my to-go foundation whenever I don't need full coverage. And I love this formula because it literally looks like your skin but better. It has Vita Serum Complex, so again, it's anti-aging product. And I'm taking this a little bit to my neck and to my ears, so we're gonna have this seamless blend. Ooh, I just love this dewy finish, and I'm applying my foundation with a brush, and later on I'm gonna pack this into my skin with a sponge. And for concealer, I'm gonna use Urban Decay Stay Naked in shade 20 NN. Although producer claims it's full coverage, I wouldn't call it that. I would say it's medium, but I like how natural it looks, and it's gonna go with today's look quite well. And I'm putting things obviously under my eyes, around my nose, a little bit on my forehead, and I'm drawing those diagonal lines to make my face look a little bit lifted, and this is a must when you have a saggy face like me. And I'm gonna blend this out with my Juno sponge. And it's something about this velvety fiber that it blends any cream products into the skin so well. It literally looks like your second skin. And just blend, 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 blend. And I'm taking this a little bit to my eyes, so it's gonna be a base for our eyeshadows at the same time. On camera, you don't see much of that lift effect because today I'm going for natural finish. It's more visible in real life, but I'm gonna do a full coverage, full beat tutorial soon, so you're gonna see this more in action. And I'm setting concealer with my Jeffree Star Magic Star powder. And again, here we have vitamin C and vitamin E and a lot of blurring effect. And I love it to hide my little lines on my forehead and under my eyes. See, I'm happy. And now it's time for bronzer slash contour. Whew, that face isn't sexy at all. I'm using Benefit Cosmetic Babe on Board palette. And honestly, from this whole palette, I'm just using Hoola bronzer. So I regret I bought the whole palette. I should just grab the Hoola bronzer. And I'm applying this obviously under my cheeks, a little bit on my jawline and on my forehead, you know, just to make this face a little bit more snatched. But again, I'm going for a natural finish, so it's not gonna be anything over the top. And I'm powdering my face with Magic Star powder, so we're gonna have smooth transitions. And for the eyes, I'm gonna use Amrezy palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, my current favorite. And I'm starting with packing darker eyeshadow in my outer corner. I wish I remember which shade I used, but as I said at the beginning, you don't have to use the same palette. It's all about the technique and the placing of the product, so you can use whatever shade you want. And I'm just packing the eyeshadow at the moment. I'm gonna blend this out later because I wanna have more intensity in that area. And once I'm happy with the eye shape, I'm gonna do the other eye, and then I'm gonna go for a lighter shade to blend the edges. I know it looks quite messy right now, but trust me, it's gonna get better. And again, I'm taking my eyeshadow a little bit higher, so we're gonna have this lift effect. And with the lighter shade, I'm blending all the edges, so again, we have those seamless transitions. And now with the pencil brush, I'm taking the same eyeshadow to my lower lash line, and honestly, I don't know why I'm doing this. I usually don't bother to do my lower lash line if I'm doing this 10-minute makeup, but probably I just wanted to be fancy for YouTube. And again, I'm blending this to my skin with the lighter shade. Now I'm taking one of the shimmers, I believe it was shade Anastasia, and I'm packing this all over my lid, so we're gonna have the illusion of cut crease without actually cutting the crease. And honestly, I love most of the shades from this palette. I made a separate video reviewing this palette, so if you wanna check this out, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box down below. And now it's time for a little bit of liner. I'm using Fenty Beauty Flypencl Longwear eyeliner in shade Black Card. And it's black with silver glitter, so it's gonna bring more light to the eye. And I'm blending the liner with the black shade from the palette. Well, actually, this shade is not that black, but it will set the liner in place, so it will last all day. And the last step for the eyes is mascara. I'm using Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. Oh my god, this name is ridiculous. And this mascara is in my top 3 favorites, but it's on the place number 3. And my 2 other favorites are Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes and Benefit Cosmetic Roll Lash Mascara, but I currently ran out of it, so we're gonna stick with Fenty. It will give me a bit of length and a curl, but not so much of the volume. But to curl my lashes, it's a task, so I appreciate this mascara can do it. And oh my god, I didn't realize that doing lashes takes so long. I need help. And for the cheeks, I'm gonna use Glow Softwear blush from Lime Crime. Mine is in shade Flash Drive, and it's a very creamy formula, and it gives me this very natural sheen to the face. And whenever I'm using this blush, I don't bother to use highlight, and I feel like it blends to the skin so nicely. It's giving me the shine, it's giving me the blush effect. I just really love it. I feel like this is very good product. I think at the moment it's my favorite product from Lime Crime. And I'm putting this a little bit on my lips as well, so everything's gonna be cohesive. And for the lips, I'm using Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer. Oh my god, why she is making the longest names ever. Basically, I'm using Fenty lip gloss in shade Sweet Mouth. Mine is the mini from Holiday Set, but now she released this as a full-size product, and as soon as I'm gonna run out of it, I'm gonna buy this again as a full size, because this is the perfect everyday lip gloss. And honestly, Fenty Beauty lip gloss formula is bomb. I love it. And if you have a little bit time left and you wanna feel fancy, just pop a lash on and we're done. And that's it. This is my to-go everyday beat, and it took me around 10 minutes with a skincare, so I think it's a good time. I hope you like it, and if you did, you know the drill. Please click that subscribe button, give me thumbs up, show me some love, show me some support, and see you in the next one. Bye!